Q1 EPS in line, 13 cents per share, but beats across the board on everything else. Revenue of $884 million. That's up 39% year over year. U.S. leading the charge once again. U.S. government revenue growing 45% year over year to $373 million. U.S. commercial surging 71% to $255 million. Palantir closed 139 deals of at least $1 million last quarter. For guidance, the AI and data analytics company raising forecasts. All metrics above street estimates. Q2 revenue now $934 to $938 million. Expected full year revenue forecast $3.89 billion to $3.9 billion. Expected U.S. commercial revenue is also expected to grow at least 68% this year. Higher free cash flow, higher adjusted income from operations also anticipated. Now, CEO and co-founder Alex Karp telling me, quote, this is a moment for the world to see how you actually do next generation AI implementation. Our numbers show that the revolution is real, but you need specific and very particular products and ways of doing it to capture that value. On defense spending and geopolitics, Karp telling me, quote, there's been a lot of reforms in the DoD that have made it possible for people to enter the market besides us. Super positive on that. The defense industrial base is going to be a metaphor for manufacturing globally, so we're very optimistic about how we can help manufacturing in the U.S., where the defense industrial base, both new and older, pave the way. We see our products heavily in use there, and you know, America has all the advantages. We just have to take advantage of those advantages. Now, on large language model costs coming down, something we've been hearing from some CEOs, particularly on the software side, Karp explaining that, quote, the cost of LLMs are a problem if the LLM doesn't create more value than the cost of purchasing them. The cost of purchasing them is much less currently than the cost of producing. And that's why he says none of these companies are public. But last I checked, shares of Palantir were under a little bit of pressure here.
Not anymore.
Okay, there you go. There you go. It was largely a beat and a raise across the board for a name that's up more than 60% this year, up more than 400% over the past 12 months, and has basically regained or come close to regaining all of the losses from that downdraft we saw start for the broader market in February. So shares are now at 4%.